Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. If you're using Instagram and you want to hide your following or followers list, so let's see how can you do that. So very first, you have to simply open your Instagram app and here tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner and here you'll get your profile. Now if you want to hide your following or followers list, so let's see how can you do that. So this is the only way to do this. You have to make your account private. But you have to keep in mind that you don't have any professional or any creator account. If you find this professional dashboard here, so very first you have to try to switch to your personal account. Now to do that, you have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And here just select creative tools and controls. Select this switch account type and then select switch to personal account. Once you have switched to a personal account, now you can easily hide your Instagram following and followers list. Refresh your Instagram, or you can also try to relaunch your Instagram app and then now tap on your profile option again. Tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and here just select the account privacy option and you must have to enable this toggle under the private account option. So now enable that, then select switch to private. Once you enable that toggle, your account should be a private account. Now no one can see your followers or following list on Instagram. So in this way, you can easily make or hide your Instagram following and followers list. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.